Alright, food official. Put the rice into the swell. Love my thing when you shell. Cut up 2 green pepper with shape like bell. Alright, new sub, new clientele. All of a sudden, I never wonder what that them a smell. All when them a ask for me off, carry goat fried chicken again on like still. Mama do her thing well. Chicken foot soup, not a drop, nah spill. Fresh bread, fruit, pan, grill, everything fresh, nothing nasty.
Wagwan people, welcome to MADDA'S kitchen. Today we're gonna make some Sunday dinner. So I have about 10 leg quarters. Let's clean and season them up. Okay, first add your chicken to a bowl, then add some vinegar and water. If you prefer to take the skin off, you can take it off, but I choose to leave it on. I rub them up to make sure they get a proper wash. Alright, me a clean out them sinting out here, so me not even know what them me a clean out, but me no want them a sinting here in there. And make sure not take off all the fat. Now I'm gonna use some lemon juice, but if you have the lemon itself, you can use the lemon and give it a good wash. Alright, now let's season this fowl. First I use jerk seasoning. I only use 2 tablespoons, but you can use whatever you prefer. I don't want it to be so spicy. Then I add 2 tablespoons of jerk marinade. Next I add 2 tablespoons of parsley. Then add 2 tablespoons of onion salt. Then add some paprika. Then add your choice of browning and green seasoning. Then just rub up your chicken. Rub up your chicken. Make it season good. Soak in it. Rub it up good. Keep rubbing up your chicken good. After me season it up, I put it inside of the fridge so it can get fish soaked in a season for 4 days. Alright, today is Sunday. I'm gonna take out my chicken and put it in a roasting pan. Look at this chicken. It smells so good already and it's not cooked yet. I usually put my chicken in the oven to cook properly for 1 hour before I put it on the grill. And we don't want no raw chicken and we don't want no pink chicken. Okay, I put on my chicken pan the grill here now. And you can put on your barbecue sauce or your jerk sauce and turn your grill down low because I don't want to burn up chicken. Well, the chicken here don't look too bad, even though it look like you have like a burn pan a little bit, but it's not too bad at all. Alright, let's make some coleslaw. I use 1 pack of coleslaw mix. I added 2 tablespoons of mayo. Then I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Now I'm gonna mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up. Keep mixing it up. When you're done mix it up, then you put it in the fridge for half an hour. Okay, let's make some carrot juice to go with my dinner. First I washed and peeled 10 pounds of carrot. Hopefully you have a better juicer than for me. My juicer was acting crazy today. It was just jumping all over the place for some reason. Look for me hand, man. Alright, me ready for mix me carrot juice here now. 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 Jagan stout, and 2 nutriments. Now you're gonna mix it up, strain it, and pour up your glass. That's how we do it. 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 Alright. Don't forget to subscribe to MADDA'S Kitchen, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up.